Hey guys, I'm Derek Sarno from Wicked Healthy, and today we're making some Asian style ribs out of mushrooms. So this dish is totally inspired from one of my favorite foods, which is ribs. I mean, what guy doesn't love ribs? And I have figured out a way to actually create an identical product without killing a thing. The texture is so close to the fatty part of a rib that it really is mind-blowing. These particular ribs are really punchy and bold with lots of Asian style flavors, like some of my favorite taste, the hoisin we're using, and that barbecue chari flavor. It really works well and lends to exactly how I remember it growing up. My inspiration came to make this dish because I love to eat ribs. It was one of the last few things I ate before I went vegan, and to recreate them and to offer them to a crowd of people who want to eat less meat, this is the answer, you guys. As Wicked Healthy is all about plant pushing, not meat shaming. We're all about creating foods that you love out of plants. The time I spent in Austin, Texas, we used to have ribs a lot. Keep the paper towels by you because this is true man food coming at you. You're gonna need these paper towels because your fingers, when you're eating with your hands, you're gonna be a mess, but it's gonna be so worth it.